Here is a quick demo of how to create the IET resume. The guidelines for the resume is written here. You can click on the create resume and make a copy by clicking here. So this is your copy of the resume. You can rename the resume by your name and registration number. You can input the details such as your name. You can write your name in capital letters, write your full name. Then you can insert your passport size photo. You can remove the extra spaces by deleting, and so that it is neatly aligned. You can input your address with your house name and house number. You can enter your date of birth in DDMMYY format. Then you can input your 10-digit phone number and email address. The preferred type of email address should be your full name at gmail.com. For industrial exposure training, you can create a bulleted list. So you can mention what was your role and what was the event and where was the event and which date was the event. In the achievements column, you can make a bulleted list of all the prizes that you have won. It can be the events within the college or outside the college. In the extracurricular activities or hobbies section, if you do not have extracurricular activities, you can mention your hobbies. Otherwise, if you have organized events for a particular club of the college, then you can mention that here in bulleted list. So here we have a resume which is neatly formatted. You can download the resume in any format by choosing the download option. So here we have downloaded as PDF to be submitted in the Moodle.